Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am excited to make this video today. This is a brand new product we just started carrying from Rydeen Mobile called the TOMBO360. Now, you'll have to excuse my ignorance on some of the features of this product because it's literally like brand new. We just received it. I don't have a sample to show you in this video, but I did want to go through the basic concept of what this is. So here we are. I've got the Rydeen mobile website being shared right here. I'm just going to expand upon this so that I can go through with you what exactly this product is all about. So Tombo 360, what is it? Well, uniquely named 10.1-inch LCD rear view mirror with a 360-degree dash camera built into it. What makes this product unique is a number of things. Number one, the size, totally awesome. 10.1-inch mirror, fantastic. When it's not a video screen, it turns into a mirror, so it gives you basically a wide rear view mirror view. One of the other things that makes it unique, it's got that 360-degree bird's eye view lens. It's built into the mirror. So what that means, just to explain, is essentially it'll see 360 degrees around the lens. Now, it's not going to see outside the vehicle, but essentially, being that it's mounted on your rear view mirror stem, it's going to see essentially 360 degrees around that area. So if somebody breaks into your vehicle and you want to get a view of them getting into the interior, this lens is going to get that. If you want to see a recording of an accident or somebody cutting you off, you're going to be able to see literally 360 degrees around that rearview mirror. Now, next thing that makes this thing very unique, you'll see these little indicators on the side. Those are blind spot kit indicators. So if you pair the Tombo 360 with a Rydeen BSS kit, so I believe the BSS 3 or the BSS 3X, you can use these amber indicators here as your blind spot warning kit indicators. Now, it is compatible with only Rydeen brand blind spot kits. I got to get clarity if you can use some of the older models, but basically, this mirror's got the capability to have those indicators built in. The next thing that makes it unique, as you see this video spins, or this GIF spins the mirror around, you'll see the mounting options for this mirror are quite incredible. So number one, when you buy the product, it's got a clip-on or a strap-on mount. That basically means you can put this on any vehicle. So it doesn't matter if you don't have the correct mount, you can basically strap the mirror onto the existing mirror and essentially make it 100% universal. So you'll see the straps there in the back. The next thing that makes this thing amazing, though, is that you can buy the Tombo 360 Pro kit, which essentially gives you a VSM mount and universal mounting kit. Well, what is that? If I click this image here, what Rydeen has done is they've changed the game. This means instead of changing the mirror stem, you can change the mirror ball and socket adapter. What does that mean to the end user? That means that if you drive, say, a Porsche or a Volkswagen or some other vehicle where there isn't a mirror stem readily available, you can pull the factory mirror off of the existing stem and use the socket adapters here to adapt the Rydeen Tombo 360 into the factory stem. You have no idea what a game changer that is for mounting options. It basically means that the retailer, as in me, no longer has to carry all of these different stems for all these different vehicles. And it also means the consumer, aka you, who's looking to buy this, also doesn't need to worry about finding the compatible stem or mounting bracket. You literally just need to buy the Pro Kit 1 as an accessory in addition to the Tombo 360, and you're going to get these brackets here. Now, what else does the Pro Kit 1 do? I will get to that very shortly. I just want to go through some of the other features of the Tombo 360. So, first things first is the 360-degree dash camera. Second thing is the convenience of having it all in a rear view mirror. It's got a built-in G sensor, so if obviously you get into an accident or there's a parking mode impact, it's going to record. Again, guys, this is a 360-degree dash camera, so it's going to record while the vehicle is parked. You can add the appropriate backup camera that comes in the Pro Kit 1. And essentially, I'm just going to quickly play this video here. So as you saw in that video there, it gave you some key features of the mirror, showed you exactly how everything was working, and essentially showed you some other key features which you may have noticed, which was you can do it yourself installing this. It comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. You simply plug it in. But if you buy the Pro Kit 1, it comes with the hardwiring kit that you need to do a hardwired install on this vehicle. So with all of that being said, I think this is a really cool product. We have it for sale on our website. I'm going to show you basically what we have it for sale for. It's currently up at $549.99 Canadian. And if I do a little search on our site here, you will see that we have the Pro Kit 1 at an additional price of $269.99. And this kind of gives you an outline. Let me just expand the view here. This gives you an outline of what comes with the mirror. It comes with the mounting brackets, the backup camera, proximity sensor. It comes with the interface for the blind spot indicators, comes with the hardwiring kit, a bunch of connectors, a tool kit, including a screwdriver and a plastic panel puller, and some hardware that you can use to mount the mirror. So I really do think this product is a game changer. The Tombo360 from Rydeen is definitely something you should look at if you're looking for a dash camera and a backup camera in a rear view mirror sort of segment. If you or someone you know is interested in this camera, please feel free to email sales@lockdownsecurity.ca or call 1-866-824-4118. I'll go back to the Tombo360 on Rydeen's website here just so you guys get an idea of exactly what it is. And if you like this video, do hit the like button. And if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, it goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. I'll put a link down below to the product on our website. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great night.